Hey everybody, my name is Malcolm and thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be talking about the case I put on my MacBook Pro 14-inch. It is the Unicorn Beetle Supcase. So when I first bought my laptop, I wanted to put it in a case. I like to take care of things as much as I can. I'm not afraid of using it, but I like to take care of it. So the first thing I did was look up cases that were out there. There was a couple brands out there, but this one kind of stood out the most to me. I wanted something lightweight and somewhat thin, but I wanted to give it some protection. Now, ultimately, it's just a simple bump drop case, scratch protection type case is all I'm looking for. I'm not looking to huck it off a cliff or anything like that. This is the Supcase. You can buy it on Amazon. I have a link below. I am an affiliate link, and I do earn a little bit from qualifying purchases. This case I have been very happy with. I've had it for about 2 months now, and I couldn't be happier with it. The first thing you want to do is you're going to clip in the bottom edge of the lid here on the bottom of the screen, and we're going to slowly press the screen up into it and on. And it's got a nice center lock here on top above the camera notch. You've got 2 on each side here that lock in, and then around all the sides it really grabs onto the monitor very nicely. And then you've got the ones on the side that lock in, and then the lid's done just like that. Now the bottom one, it's open on the back, and that's for the ventilation. We're going to go ahead and try to slide in this laptop. We got the back corners dropped in first, and then we're just going to very carefully push the laptop into it. Now this has been apart a few times, so it's making it easier to put on and off as I go, but I do that to keep the dirt and stuff out of the case so it doesn't just sit in there and look all nasty. So once it's clipped on, you have these very fine little clips here, right here above the speaker grills on each side, and then you have one right here to the left and right of the trackpad. And once those are clipped in, the case is installed, and that's it. And there's the laptop in the case, okay? It has all the ventilation port coverings here for the ventilation. On the back, it's wide open for the ventilation. This is the one straight edge of the laptop that isn't protected. And then you've got openings for your port connections on both sides, as you can see. And is this clipped in all the way right now? There it is. I was gonna say it didn't look like clipped in all the way, but that's the case clipped into the laptop here. So as you can see, it is a very nice case, and it doesn't add a whole lot of bulk to the laptop, which is what I really like. Allows you to see the MacBook Pro on the bottom. It's ventilated on the bottom to just let a little bit more air circulate through the case. Like I said, heat's never been a problem inside this case. It's got some bigger bumper feet for it to sit on. And it gives you a little bit of grip and texture to hold the laptop with, which I really like, because I don't like holding the bare metal of the laptop. It just seems like you just slip and fall. Now I got my white Velcro here on both sides. This is for my USB dongle, and this is for my SSD. When I install these right here, what I'm going to do is all I do is Velcro it on to it. I got some Velcro there at Walmart. I plug in the hard drive dongle like so, and then on my other dongle with the USB ports, all that, I set this right here on this Velcro and do the same thing with the cord, wrap it around, and I plug it right into the other USB-C port here, the Thunderbolt port right there like so. Have ready to go. Open the lid up, the cables move with it, everything, and that's ready to go for me to edit off of or add files or connect something to. That's how I do it. Now you didn't get the best Velcro. It moves around a little bit, makes a little noise. For what I need it for, it works great. Keeps them like loose and dangling, and more importantly, it doesn't let that weight of the pressure pull on the ports while it's plugged in. Now, the one downside I found with this case is, of course, and I noticed it without these devices attached. You're that right, because I know this is adding a lot of weight, but it is down low, is that the tension on the screen that Apple's designed into it and how easy it is to hold is overcome just slightly with this added case, and it wants to fall just occasionally. Now, I don't have a problem with it falling. I can position this thing exactly where I want and it stays, but there is a time and ease that it will kind of swing, and the added weight of the case is what's doing that, because I notice it without this stuff on here, and I almost want to say this stuff kind of helps base it because it's bringing the weight down low again, and it's helping that tension counteract it. So if I pull these things off, let's see what it does here. It makes it much easier to fall closed. I don't notice it falling back ever. So it does hold its form going all the way back. That's fully open at that point. But that's just something else. That's really the only downside I found with this case, is that I didn't like, was it felt like this lid got heavy with it and it causes it to creep or fall. And that's my pretty much ready to go rig. I can at least work with this on my lap and nothing's dangling or getting in the way of anything. And that's how this works for me. So overall, I like the case. If you guys want to check it out, links in the description below. Like I said, I am an affiliate, so I do earn from qualifying purchases on that. But other than that, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Really help and appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you later.